Hey everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the hubcaps on your Tesla Model 3 and how to put them back onto your Tesla Model 3. So to do that, we'll get out of the car and we'll take them off and put them back on, and I'll show you how it all works. So let's get started. This doesn't take very long. All right, everyone, here's the hubcap on the Tesla Model 3, and let's remove it and have a look what's underneath. And that's what's underneath. Pretty cool, nice looking wheel. Shame it's a bit rusted already on a brand new car. Anyway, that's how it looks. And to put this back on, line it up here. And then and there you go. That's how you remove the hubcap on the Tesla Model 3 and how to put it back on. It's a little bit hard, but you can help if you grab behind the wheel and kind of like pull it on, and that can help. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and a thumbs down if you disliked it, and leave some comments if you have any more questions, that kind of stuff. See you all in the next video. Lens Addict out.